Hello, welcome back. We are going to be in Unit 1, Session 2 this week. You guys need to just let me know how things are going, if they are not going well. Hopefully everyone is pretty well acquainted with how it all works now. You'll see each week that I put an update up with the video for the week. And it's also located in our session. That's just to make sure that it's being watched. You don't have to watch it twice. And then you'll see that you can access the content this week through either this link here or in your materials right here. If you joined us late or you weren't around for the first week for some reason, please make sure that you do this orientation. It's got 4 really important assignments in there. Yeah, you need to do them, and I'm going to keep bothering you until you do them if you have not done them yet. But for this week, we're going to be in Unit 1, Session 2. We are going to continue reading through, so we're going to be reading The Chaser by John Collier. You guys read the first paragraph last week and made some predictions. This week, we're going to be reading all the way through and going to be responding to the big ideas. We also are going to be reading a quick article about some strategies to push yourself through a boring text. There will be texts that you guys will encounter in your lives that you don't find interesting, but you still have to read it. So this will give you some strategies to do so. We're going to be talking about that. You will be taking the Trusted Adult Survey this week. That just means that you're telling us anyone that you have made a connection with or that you think you could make a connection with, teachers at least. If that hasn't happened for you yet, that's totally fine. There's an option for you there too. Just make sure you take that. It does count for participation points this week. And then at the end of the week, your opportunity to let me know how things are going. It can be inside of school, it can be outside of school. Just let me know anything that could be affecting you or anything like that outside of school. You don't have to let me know outside of school. It's just your opportunity to do so. So yeah, this just helps me know who needs help, who doesn't need help, etc., etc., etc. The very last thing is going to be Wednesday at 10 o'clock, our Zoom meeting. This is kind of in flux right now. Jeffco has just changed the security protocol for who can access Jeffco Zooms, and it's only Jeffco students. So that means for our Southwest eSchool or Dolores students, if we continue in Zoom, you'll no longer be able to participate in these Wednesday meetings. There's a chance that we could switch over to Google. We don't really know yet, but we will let you know. Cool. So let me know if you need anything, if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them and help you. Please don't just sit there not knowing what to do and not reaching out to me or anyone else. All right, have a great week.